children. Today I am going to narrate one story. The name of the story is The Smart Parrot. What is the name of the story? The Smart Parrot. Okay. So in this story we have one parrot. The smart parrot. Okay. Once there lived a parrot in a jungle. She lived in a nest on a mango tree. A bear was her friend. He also lived under same tree. One day she saw a hunter aiming his gun to shoot her. She flew away quickly and the hunter missed him aim and shot a mango. And hunter missed the aim and he shot a mango. Hunter missed his aim and shot a mango. The mango fell on the bear was sleeping under the tree. The angry bear got up from the sleep and ran to attack the hunter. The hunter quickly fled away on his horse. Tuck, 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 tuck. So, moral of the story: think, act, smart, act. In this story, the parrot was really very smart. Okay.